Hello, welcome to the Buying Genius training for Living Naturally's mobile app. Today we're going to cover just a few things in this training. We're going to talk about how to enter coupons, specials, and what's new items in Buying Genius so that they'll show up on your app. We're also going to just talk about a couple of the different types of offers that are available for you to load to the app. We'll start here with the homepage of Buying Genius. We have several different capabilities and functions on Buying Genius. Today, like I said, we'll be just covering the mobile, but just to show you a few others, we have ordering services and brand resources. For our purposes today, this training, we will be working in the Marketing Services tab. When you click on Marketing Services, you'll see several options below it that you can use to track usage of your app, track your customers, create groups for campaigns, and several other wonderful functions. You'll see here when it comes up there is a history of all the campaigns that you've sent. So it shows you when that campaign was created, what type of campaign, a template that you use to create that campaign, the name, the type of media that the campaign was sent through, and that the little mobile phone here is for mobile, so we're going to be using that one today. This envelope is email. We have web here. The groups that you sent these promotions to, the distribution date and time, and the status. The yellow circle indicates that that campaign is pending. The green circle indicates that the campaign is live. And then when the campaign expires, there will be a red circle to let you know. Here is where you can sort through the campaigns that you've previously sent by type, or more specifically by template, if you choose to do that. We're going to go into Create Campaign. This is where you'll come to create any coupons or specials or what's new items for your mobile app. To begin, you'll need to type in a name. We'll just call this one Testing. And you'll notice the other options below are grayed out. They'll be filled in as you work down this list. So first we select the type. We're going to start with a what's new item at the bottom, and then select a template. These templates are specifically for email, meaning that if you send an email campaign, you'll see that template come up with some graphics that you can then fill in. For mobile, as it concerns mobile, these templates really don't change the appearance of the app at all. They don't change the appearance of the what's new items. They're specifically just for sorting purposes. So back on that main campaign screen, if you want to see all of the holiday promotions that you've sent, that way this will include both email and mobile when you look at those. So for mobile, they're all going to look the same. So we'll choose Store News. That's going to give us the option here to choose mobile. And over here we want to change the distribution date. It's set to default to the correct date and the current date and time, so be aware of that. Also, the hours are in military time, so make note of that. If I click on Next, it saves my information up here, and this is where I'm going to enter in the main body of the what's new item. So we'll start with a heading, and testing. Well, we'll call this Store News. Subheading. Here you'll enter an expiration date. We want it to expire tomorrow. And a description. Currently on What's New, you can't enter an image. That option will be made available sometime next year in 2013. Alright, we'll save and continue. The campaign's ready to send. When I click on send, you'll see it asks me, are you sure you want to send this campaign? So you want to make sure that before you do that, you have proofread it carefully. If I click cancel, it just it won't send it. I decide yes, I'm ready to send it, and it shows here on my history screen. So I can go back and take a look at it. We have some exciting news for you. If I've made a mistake on this, I can always go back in and cancel my mobile campaign. Now that erases it completely from the phone. That will remove it immediately. However, and so I'm going to do that. This cannot be undone. Are you sure you want to cancel? Yes, I am sure. All right. So that's going to take it back off the phone. Let's go in and create another campaign. We'll call this Testing 2. Let's take a look at our specials. It's basically the same process. A free text special allows you just to enter whatever you want. If you want to look up an individual product, you can click on that and then enter a UPC, and that UPC will bring up the product information. As long as it's within our catalog, you can look that up. Let's do a free text special. I'm going to send it to mobile. Same thing, current date and time, and click next. Heading, we're going to call this 10% off. Amazing product. And I want this to expire tomorrow. Here we'll put a description. And here we have the option to upload an image. That image will need to be, you need to browse first and find it. We'll just use this logo. That image will need to be saved on your computer somewhere, and it will need to be size 250 by 250 or smaller. Anything in those sizes will work. So we save and continue. Yes, let's send the campaign. Take a look at it. And there's all my information. Over here you can cancel again. We won't do that this time. Alright, so that's how you can create a special. The process is pretty simple. It's very intuitive, and if you have your information ready, it should be a quick process. The next one we're going to do, testing 3, is a coupon. Now under coupon you'll find several different templates that you can use. The custom coupon is pretty self-explanatory. That's just anything that you want to create for your store. Any coupon, it gives you a blank slate basically, where you can plug in any information. Now these 3 down here are part of our supplier promotions. So if you choose Premier Brands, Premier Product, or Subsidized Offers, you will see that those 3 will count towards the opt-ins, the minimum number of supplier promotions that you need to opt into per month to waive your fee. So we'll look at Premier Brands. Here you'll see there are quite a few that you can choose from. Now these are trade promotions that you can opt into, and if you decide to offer these, coupons to your customers. We'll do Bob's Red Mill. And date and time, always check the date and time. Alright, and you see it brings up our image for us, the description, and the subheading. So you will want to create your own offer. So we'll say $1 off. I'm going to make it expire on Friday. Here's where you enter a redemption code. So for coupons, you need to make sure to enter a redemption code that then you will put into your POS system so that the coupon can communicate. When the app creates a barcode, or this redemption code is entered into the POS, that it will take $1 off. So this is just that redemption code for your store. Here you can put a disclaimer. And that can be handy, if you want to make sure that you have enough, or kind of cover your bases there. Okay, we'll save and continue. Send campaign. And there it is on our list. We can go in and see what it's going to look like. All right, the other types of coupons that you can create. Here are the Premier Product coupons. We'll prompt you to select a brand. Let's do Eden Foods. And here are some specific products with Eden Foods that I can create a coupon for. Now again, these are trade promotions, so these coupons are underwritten by you at the store. These are not subsidized offers, but they are available for you to buy into, and it's a great way to look at, you know, maybe some different brands or different products that you can start offering at your store. All right, so the last kind of template, and we're not going to create a coupon for this, we'll just create a subsidized offer. Now these ones are the ones that you can opt into again, and these are the ones that Living Naturally will settle for you. So it's kind of the same process. You see there are a few options here. These options are going to increase over the next few months. We'll have many more available. We'll do $250 off there. We'll go mobile and next. Oh, see, at least it helps you when you forget something. All right. And for the subsidized offers, you see you're not able to change the heading, the subheading, the expiration date, or the description. That's because these are manufacturer coupons. However, you can enter a redemption code and a disclaimer. So that, you know, if you need to, you know, if you have a shortened supply or can scan coupons only at one location, or for any other reason that you might need to use that, that's available. Okay, I'm going to save and continue. And that's how simple it is to create content for your mobile app. I'll show you one other place where you can do that, and that's over here on our supplier promotions page. Here you're going to find the same subsidized offers that were available within the coupons template. So this makes it easier for you. You can see what it's going to look like on the phone with the image. You can see the qualifying UPCs. All you have to do here is enter a redemption code. Click Send Offer. And this automatically goes to all of the mobile customers. Yes. Now I'll go back. Now when I did that, you see that disappears from my lineup here, so I can only use that once. Campaigns, and there it is, my subsidized offer. And it shows me exactly what I did. Okay. That is how we can create our campaigns for the mobile app. And thank you very much. We hope you'll give us a call if you have any questions, and have a great day.